EPLANT-Piping Advanced tutorial. This presentation shows in the project setup the section concerning material requisitions and MTO in general. This first option specifies the way the project material is included in material requisitions. There are three possibilities. The material of all 3D models is used. It is the most common used option. Different areas can be defined, specifying the 3D models that are associated to each area. Each area will generate independent requisitions. Similar to the previous one, but specifying the piping lines associated to each area. This option controls how the revisions are managed in material requisitions. In the first case, each material totalization generates all requisitions, each one with the same revision number. In the second case, each requisition can have a different revision history. This option allows for greater flexibility and it is well suited for big projects, with several revisions of procurements, etc. With this option, the index key used to differentiate the material can be made to include or not the piping class, and the dimensional standard as well. Default values are the most used. Checking this option, the material used to build material requisitions is the one corresponding to piping lines that have their status assigned to the last one only, generally the approved for construction. This option will dismiss the material of those lines with status not at the last one, unless they have manual material associated to them. In that case, only the manual material will be honored. The rest of the options are rarely used. Check the Help button.